Betty Lawrence from Yes Program. As usual, we have all things to offer you that every young person needs as they get ready to leave school and make plans for the future. This year, we have decided to push our start date back to July 2nd for the first time, because we recognize that when we start earlier, persons are still doing exams. And so we want to allow the opportunity for those who would like to go straight into a training program out of high school. And so we are here to ready and waiting. We have ongoing registration. We are here to welcome all of you. And July 2nd is our new start date. So those who finish high school and they're wondering, what do I do next? We are here. We're here to say yes with you. So please come on over, sign up, register, and we are we are looking forward to adding you to our list for a new batch. Thank you, and I hope you come.
Change the world. Can somebody help me? Change the world.